a fallen hero, the late SP Bako Angbashim, who tirelessly served in this command and dedicated himself to eradicating crimes. He was instrumental in arresting the notorious criminal Boboski, who had terrorized motorists along Akwa Ibom section of East-West Road, and restored order to Bori and its environs by eliminating all forms of cultism when he was the divisional police officer, Bori. His gallantry and operational expertise led to his transfer to our other division, where he was tasked with effecting the arrest of that most wanted criminal, Gift Okpolowu, also known as Fubara. He employed all his skills and experience to apprehend Fubara and his associates, and was on the verge of a breakthrough when he met his tragic event that resulted in his murder and dismemberment. Following this Gowrie incident, the command was initially unable to recover the corpse of the late officer. However, we are pleased to announce that we recovered the body successfully and it's lying here for everybody to see. Investigations into the murder of late SP Bako Angbashim led the command to launch an assault on those responsible for his death, Fubara and his cohorts. The operation resulted in the neutralization of the suspect and the subsequent recovery of the remains believed to be those of the late officer. To ensure closure of the bereaved family and the police, a thorough examination was conducted to confirm the identity of the recovered remains. In collaboration with the immediate family of the late SP Bako Angbashim, DNA samples were collected and analyzed by the forensic department at the 4th Criminal Investigation Department, Alagbon, Lagos. After several weeks of meticulous sample preparation and genetic matching, the results revealed a 99.9% possibility that the DNA profile extracted from the recovered remains matched that of the deceased mother, Angbashim Mbegu, and the brother Timothy Angbashim. This conclusively confirmed that the individual whose remains were submitted for examination was indeed the late SP Bako Angbashim. I would like to express my deepest appreciation to the Governor of Rivers State, Sir Similaye Fubara, who kept his word and redeemed the pledge to those who provided credible information that led to the neutralization of the suspect and the recovery of his corpse, which was hidden by his gang members after he was killed. I also want to thank the Inspector General of Police, IGP Kayode Egbetokun, PhD, MPM, for his encouragement and support throughout this operation. Furthermore, I would like to express our sincere gratitude to the Nigerian Air Force for their timely air support. The cooperation of other sister agencies in Rivers State also played vital roles in this operation. I thank the late officer's family for their patience and perseverance. I am relieved that they, along with the Nigerian police, have finally found a closure. I commend the men of this command for their dedication and determination in bringing these murderers to justice. Lastly, I would like to thank the gentlemen of the 4th extreme of the realm, the press, for their wonderful support and for prodding us on to ensure that we succeed in this operation. At the same time, we want to thank other stakeholders for their support during this investigation. Most importantly, we want to thank every resident of this wonderful state for the support given to the Nigerian police during and after this operation. Thank you so much for listening patiently to us. Thank you.
I am here on behalf of the family and the good people of Nasarawa State to receive the remains of our late brother, SP Bako Angbashim. I want to first of all thank the Rivers State Police Command for its effort to ensure that the killers of my late brother were brought to book. I want to especially thank the State Police Commissioner, Olotanji, for his gallantry and effort, for the sacrifices he made. He and his police command, the entire police command, to ensure that the killers of my brothers are brought to book. Not only that, they equally make extra effort to recover his remains. So we are so grateful for that. We also want to thank the State Governor, Sir Similaye, for his support to the police command to ensure that criminals are rid out of the states. And I want to thank the entire good people of River State for their cooperation with the Nigeria police to reach to this level of bringing my brother his remain to the rescue. We also want to thank members of the press and the entire Nigerians for their effort to ensure that criminals are cracked down and punished.
Thank you.
Are you